Starting this video for Marco.
I love you, baby.
And Andy.
What's up, bro?
Can't wait till you guys come out here.
I know, right?
Yeah. Andy,
What?
get your ass out here.
His ass be like,
I'm calling you right
come out
now.
here?
Hell yeah. Get your ass.
Shit. I'm like, hell no.
You better be at that damn movie with me. I know that. Know
His
that.
ass gonna be at home at the cookery.
I'll be mad as shit. I'll be at home like, this is my face, Andy. Look at my face. This is gonna be my face.
Sad as hell. I'm like, babe, come out here next week. I don't hear shit.
Bring your ass, for real though.
He be like, bring your ass to the shack. You'll be stuck.
You'll be
like,
stuck.
Shit.
Your ass. You the same way. So
I'm
shut
like,
up.
hell no, Jay, you ain't do that
I'm
to me.
calling your ass right now. Look at you. Well, you can't see it, but it say Mickey.
Straight to voicemail on your ass.
That's fucked up.
Back to
Hold on, I want to hear him.
Straight to voicemail. No answer.
This is my face when you don't be answering. Really? Really?
No answer for your ass.
You bogus as hell.
Please leave your message 70.
Send my ass to voice. I'm mad at you. You're making us look messed up. Oh, God.
Please, y'all message. At least you can leave a message.
I am going to leave a message.
Shit.
You bogus as hell.
What's
How you feel?
Second time.
Second time.
No.
Hey, Andy.
Cut that shit. Anderson, we're going to call you back. We're making a video.
I'm gonna call you right back.
We were just gonna say that. We were just gonna say that shit.
I'm going to call you back. You don't get no answer.
Oh my God.
I'm going to call you back, girl. You ain't finna get that call until like 1 and 2 in the morning. Probably
This
never.
is terrible. I turned off my whole damn phone on accident.
Fuck that.
Mad as hell. And you was making this look so much worse than it. This is terrible. You are ass. You bogus.
I'm going to call you back.
I ain't
Damn.
tripping.
Okay.
He gonna call me back. Oh, get
Shit.
that call. You ain't tripping. I'm
Like
cool.
You alright? You sure? You sure?
Give me a minute. I'll be cool.
Maybe I miss you.
We on some high shit over here. Hell no.
Slow as hell.
Hell yeah. You gonna look at this video like, really?
I miss you, honey.
I don't. No, I'm kidding. His ass.
You be like, that's cool. Go look at that. Drinking water.
Oh, whatever.
Go look at that.
I'll be Cusco, squirrel boy.
Who that?
Probably Anderson. Ah! Do not say who this was. Do not say that shit. Mm-mm.
No!
Oh, God.
Babe, I miss you. Kisses to you.
Stay your ass over there. That's the hell you can do.
Don't be mad because Anderson ain't call you back.
You bogus.
Don't be mad because Anderson ain't call you back. He'll call you back. Only if you have faith.
I got faith.
It's right here.
Yes, right. You can't be on my shoulder. It gotta be in my
I
heart.
pointed to your heart. I want to point.
Oh, it look like my shoulder. It's right in here. Got faith.
Yeah, who?
Everybody should. Hell, I don't even know no damn mo.
Fuck that.
Shit.
This girl sick as hell.
Y'all should see my Kleenexes. I'm a mess. I just got through taking some NyQuil and shit. I'm drugged up on that damn syrup. I'm right with you, Wayne.
What?
Syrup. NyQuil syrup.
Sorry.
Syrup. Syrup.
Homie though.
I'm a
Just
dog.
chilling. Just chilling.
I like that one song you were singing. You're like, just chill and settle down.
That's what I wanna do.
Me and you, just chill
Just what?
and settle down.
And what? Slow as hell.
Hell yeah. I look how I feel. Sick as hell. Mark, you better say shit.
You gonna treat your ass.
Probably.
Only
Yeah.
like 5 comments.
I'm just waiting. Shit. Bogus as hell. Why I always the one who gotta get treated all the time? Bogus and Anderson. Bogus.
Y'all name both start. That's just dark as hell. Turn that shit back on.
Oh, nah. We some chill people. Me and Anderson, we the chill. They bogus as hell. They chill, but they bogus as shit. They the ones that be talking about it.
It is. We keep it 100 on y'all.
Y'all ass be bogus.
No, we ain't.
You ain't see this girl just came in my life over here while I'm talking to Anderson. You ain't see this shit. I'm on the phone with this man. She's talking about sent your ass to voicemail. Bogus as hell. Bogus.
Shit.
Me and him, we
Yeah,
just
gonna
shit.
call back. I'ma call you back.
It's cool. You finna see his ass when he open.
Oh,
It ain't gonna
how
be
you
like
feel?
that.
How you feel?
Right now or about the whole thing?
Right now.
Smooth.
How you feel about the whole thing?
Fucked up.
Real fucked up? Damn. That's fucked up.
Mm-hmm.
Fucked up.
I hope you do see this, Andy. This is my face.
I hope he did too. Fucked up.
Call me back. What you gonna call me back for? How come you can't talk to me right now? I'm gonna text
He
you.
busy.
Doing what? Doing shit. No, let me stop. Let me stop. How do you like really?
He ain't gonna come out here on your ass.
Hell yeah. Like, let
But
me
like, say the day before, like, I ain't coming, Adrian. Can't tell you the story.
can't tell you the story.
I just can't come. Shit. Alright, babe, where you went? Down the street. Fucked up. Now you texting a nigga? Now you texting a nigga? He ain't gonna reply to like tomorrow. Oh my god. I gotta do this homework. Shit. I'll just do that tomorrow, boy.
You gotta do homework.
Your ass will never have homework.
Fuck homework, man. That shit's a fucking task, man. I remember staying up all night doing that shit.
I
Having
could be like,
headaches.
fuck it.
Hell yeah.
I be like, shit.
Math and shit. Math is the worst fucking subject on the planet, Joe. I swear.
Charlie, let me just fucking what is that never exist.
Hell yeah. I'd be mad as hell doing some damn math problems and shit.
Be stuck as hell. You have to go to sleep on that ass.
Hell yeah. Fuck a math problem.
Go to
man.
sleep, head be hurt, need to eat.
Hell yeah. Hungry as shit. Taking
Throat be dry as hell.
Hell yeah, taking breaks and shit, getting water, juice and shit. Time for this.
Then gotta take a pill.
Hell
Head
yeah.
be hurt.
Make
Boy,
it,
just over some math.
just talking about this shit making my damn throat dry.
Dry as hell. You gonna be done with that bottle before the end.
Hell yeah. I got some damn ice mountain shit. 100% natural spring water, bitches. Shit.
Natural light.
Yeah. Mm-mm.
Too thirsty, boy.
Hell yeah. Oh, that look good.
What? That food? What you
Yeah.
got hungry then? You hungry too?
A little bit.
That's making you hungry.
Hell yeah.
Man, I want them hot wings. Them hot wings that bullshit talking about shit. Y'all left them and shit. I ain't gonna eat my hot wings.
We had some Buffalo Wild Wings. That shit was fire. Oh, you can't find them. That's the thing. You can't find
What's
them.
that?
Shit, if you can find them, you can have them. Shit. That's how it go.
They can't have them. I want them. Shit. You told me to come get them. Fuck.
Shit, you gotta take it from their ass. Give me them damn ones.
I ain't taking them from shit. They ain't getting them.
That's a mess. How is North? TF North. Let's talk about TF North.
Let's talk about that shit. Blah, blah, blah.
What? Y'all?
Blah, blah, blah.
I heard
They
some
funny.
things.
They funny. They funny. But it is getting dead now, shit.
It is.
Hell yeah.
Shit, when was it popping?
When I was there.
It left, so you left, so now it's lame as hell.
Yeah. I'm just playing. I don't know. It just got lame.
Anderson, look what you missing out on. Look at this shit. Bogus. That's your
Put a leg straight, nigga. Like,
mm-hmm.
baby, I love you. 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 I love you.
And me, I need somebody to love. Let me stop. I hate Justin Bieber. I fucking hate Justin Bieber. For real though. I hate Justin Bieber.
Cut it.
Cut the shit. Okay. Cut the shit.
Hey, baby, I love you. I miss you. Kisses to you. Need a kiss too? Bye.
Sad as hell. I have no guy to kiss me. This
Aw.
Anderson ass.
Oh.
God, look at me.
Like that. How you feel?
Sad as hell.
That's sad. It's pretty. My baby.
Speaking of you,
Hey, honey. Yeah, babe. Yeah, babe. I love you, baby.
watch how he do me right now. Watch this.
Hey, baby.
Marco, what's up? What you doing? What you doing?
You know, honey,
What?
what's up, little cookie?
A honey bun?
What?
I didn't say anything about you being a bumblebee. Where did that come from?
Babe, guess what? Babe, guess what? I love you. I love you. Ah, no. Why would you say something like that? How you feel? Sad as hell. What? What you gotta say?
Hoochie? What?
She already feeling bad enough.
I'm feeling bad enough over here. Anderson just did my life. I told you. He
Bogus.
be bogus as hell. I didn't say anything.
Bogus.
What happened? What happened with the hoochie? What? Ain't nobody say nothing about you, squirrel boy.
Hold on, babe. the difference.
He's mean.
No, he's not.
This one's gonna beat my ass over.
Okay, we're gonna end this because it's going too long. This is too long. Entirely too long. I'll be talking about my baby forever. I love him. Talking about him forever. I'll be talking about him forever.
Oh my god.
Alright. I love you, baby. Mwah.